Hello viewers, in today's video we'll be discussing about interior decoration. Accessories are the most important part of interior decoration. Today's video will be focusing throwing light on the topic accessories. Accessories is a term that refers to most of the additional furnishings and elements that are kept in the room to make a room more feasible. They bring charm to the particular area. Any area without accessories can be uninteresting. They are basically the punctuation mark of decoration. They should not be selected for their beauty but also to promote the appearance of the area. They are very important in interior decoration. They totally depends on the choice of particular person. They are not only for decoration but they also are functional. They put light in a room. They might be more expensive than the furniture. They give a room a special look. For suite rooms they can be more lavish. They give you a personal touch and make a room more lively. Now if you talk about function of the accessories, they add beauty to your room. They are functional as well as decorative. They add theme to the hotel. They make your room livelier. They give personal touch to the room. They make your room more feasible. They show your artistic side to the guest. They are basically generally of two types, functional and non-functional. So in the coming slides or the coming topics we'll be throwing light on the various types of accessories. Those are functional and non-functional. Functional accessories, they are basically accessories which perform any function. They are highly decorative. For example, your lamps, lampshades, magazines, clocks. Now firstly we talk about lamps. They should be kept at such places where they give adequate light. They should be well selected so that they match the decor of the room. Lampshades, they should match with the decor of the room, generally kept on the bedside tables. Clocks, they should give you right time. They should face the direction which is easy to read, and the height of the clock should be at the eye level of the guest. Books, try to keep religious books. They should be kept on the coffee table, computer tables, depending on your decor. Mirrors, they give a feeling of a spaciousness in your room. They are essential for dressing areas and they should be kept spotlessly clean to give the best look. Ashtrays, they should be kept according to the theme of the hotel. They should be in stone or the metal. If you talk about non-functional, they are only decorative items. They do not perform any of the function. They are basically divided into two parts, object the art and decorative essence. Object the art, they are mainly decorative items, for example your paintings, sculptures. First is the pictures, they give life to your room. In a luxury hotel they are very particularly set. They should be hung only on a plain background. The frame of the picture should match with your decor, color of the picture should match with your decor, and prefer an original work. Small sculptures in stone, wood, metal or glass as per they suit your decor. Please place them accordingly. Do not over empower them. Flower arrangements, you can have artificial flower arrangements, you can have natural flower arrangement according to the occasions. Please match the decor with the flower arrangement always. Decorative essence, they are basically very high class of accessories. They are not separate articles. They are provided with the materials. For example, you have pipings or cushions, you have curtains, you have tassels on curtains. These all are decorative essence. Now selection and placement of accessories. Accessories should be chosen according to the theme. They should be in accordance with size of the room. Please choose them according to the season. Do not overdone the accessories in a small room. In a large room, use large space. To cover large space, use large accessories, place them on plain backgrounds, and please keep them in such a way that they achieve maximum beauty. They should be placed in accordance with the furniture. They should be interestingly arranged according to your color scheme of the hotel and combine old and new traditions. Thank you so much for viewing. Have a good day.